Want to make money while you sleep? Here's the 7-step plan for creating passive income streams in 2024. Step 1. Start with affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting other people's products. Step 2. Create an online course or digital product. Sell it once and make money forever. Step 3. Consider dropshipping. Sell products without handling inventory. Step 4. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Earn regular income without touching the principal. Step 5. Build a blog or YouTube channel. Earn money from ads and sponsorships. Step 6. Rent out property or rooms. Earn rental income while you sleep. Step 7. Automate your investments. Use robo-advisors or automatic investment platforms. Want to learn how to set up these passive income streams and start making money in your sleep? Click the link in the description to grab my ebook, Millionaire Secrets, and start building your passive income empire in 2024.